Welcome to the future. Today we're diving into the top 5 tech trends that are revolutionizing the world in 2024. From artificial intelligence to sustainable energy solutions, these innovations are shaping the way we live, work, and interact with technology. Stay tuned to discover the latest trends that are defining the future. Hello, tech enthusiasts! As we step further into the 21st century, technology continues to advance at an unprecedented pace. In 2024, we're witnessing groundbreaking developments that are changing the landscape of industries and society as a whole. Join us as we explore the top 5 tech trends that are making waves this year. 1. Artificial intelligence AI integration. Artificial intelligence is no longer confined to science fiction. It's becoming an integral part of our daily lives. In 2024, AI integration is revolutionizing various industries, from healthcare to finance. AI-powered assistants like chatbots and virtual agents are enhancing customer service experiences, while machine learning algorithms are optimizing processes and decision-making. Companies are leveraging AI to analyze vast amounts of data, driving innovation and efficiency. With advancements in natural language processing and computer vision, AI is transforming how we interact with technology. In healthcare, AI is assisting doctors in diagnosing diseases, analyzing medical images, and personalizing treatment plans. In finance, AI algorithms are detecting fraud, optimizing investment portfolios, and providing personalized financial advice. Customer service experiences are being enhanced through AI-powered chatbots that can answer questions, resolve issues, and provide recommendations in real time. 2. Augmented reality AR and virtual reality VR experiences. Immerse yourself in a world of possibilities with augmented reality and virtual reality experiences. In 2024, AR and VR technologies are blurring the lines between the physical and digital worlds, offering immersive and interactive experiences like never before. From virtual meetings and remote collaboration to gaming and entertainment, AR and VR are reshaping how we communicate, learn, and entertain ourselves. With advancements in hardware and software, these technologies are becoming more accessible and realistic, opening up new opportunities across industries. In education, AR and VR are transforming traditional learning experiences by providing interactive simulations, virtual field trips, and immersive storytelling. In gaming and entertainment, AR and VR are creating immersive worlds and experiences that transport users to new dimensions. In enterprise, AR and VR are revolutionizing training programs, design processes, and remote collaboration, enabling teams to work together from anywhere in the world. 3. Sustainable technology solutions. As the world faces environmental challenges, sustainable technology solutions are gaining traction in 2024. From renewable energy sources like solar and wind power to eco-friendly transportation options such as electric vehicles and smart grids, technology is playing a crucial role in mitigating climate change and promoting sustainability. Innovations in green technology are not only reducing carbon emissions, but also driving economic growth and creating jobs. In 2024, sustainability is no longer just a goal, it's a necessity, and technology is leading the way. In the energy sector, renewable energy sources like solar and wind power are becoming increasingly cost-effective and scalable, providing clean and sustainable alternatives to fossil fuels. Electric vehicles, EVs, are gaining popularity, with advancements in battery technology extending their range and reducing charging times. Smart grids are optimizing energy distribution and consumption, reducing waste and increasing efficiency. 4. Quantum computing breakthroughs. Enter the quantum realm, where computing power knows no bounds. In 2024, quantum computing breakthroughs are unlocking unprecedented computational capabilities, revolutionizing fields like cryptography, drug discovery, and optimization. Quantum computers harness the power of quantum mechanics to perform complex calculations at speeds unimaginable with classical computers. While still in the early stages of development, quantum computing holds the potential to tackle some of the most pressing challenges facing humanity, from developing new materials to simulating molecular structures. In cryptography, quantum computing threatens traditional encryption methods while also offering new opportunities for secure communication and data privacy. In drug discovery, quantum computers are simulating molecular structures and identifying potential drug candidates with greater speed and accuracy. In optimization, quantum algorithms are solving complex optimization problems in logistics, finance, and manufacturing, leading to more efficient processes and resource allocation. 5. Internet of Things (IoT) expansion. Welcome to the era of connected everything. In 2024, the Internet of Things is expanding rapidly, with billions of devices connected to the Internet and each other. From smart homes and cities to industrial automation and healthcare, IoT technology is transforming how we live and work. Sensors, actuators, and other IoT devices are collecting and exchanging data in real time, enabling smarter decision-making and improving efficiency. With advancements in edge computing and 5G networks, the IoT ecosystem is poised for exponential growth in the years to come. In smart homes, IoT devices like smart thermostats, lights, and security cameras are providing convenience, comfort, and security to homeowners. In smart cities, IoT technologies are optimizing transportation, energy management, and waste disposal systems, making urban living more sustainable and efficient. In industrial settings, IoT sensors are monitoring equipment performance, predicting maintenance needs, and optimizing production processes, leading to increased productivity and cost savings. Just imagine the possibilities. From AI-powered assistants to quantum computers, these tech trends are reshaping our world and pushing the boundaries of innovation. In conclusion, the top 5 tech trends of 2024: artificial intelligence integration, augmented reality and virtual reality experiences, sustainable technology solutions, quantum computing breakthroughs, and the expansion of the Internet of Things are driving profound changes in society and industries worldwide. As we embrace these innovations, let's harness the power of technology to create a brighter and more sustainable future for all. If you're as excited about the future of technology as we are, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more updates on the latest tech trends and innovations. And remember, the future is now. Let's embrace it together.